People change so fast. Yesterday they cared. Today, they don't. It's a reminder that emotions and priorities can shift unexpectedly. Sometimes those we thought would be there for us forever become strangers overnight. But that's the nature of life. People come and go, and not everyone is meant to stay. Instead of dwelling on the changes, focus on those who remain consistent, and most importantly, on the relationship you have with yourself. In the end, true stability comes from within, not from the ever-shifting tides of others' feelings.